Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode in Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share to you how to make this popular street food in Manila, the pastil. Pastil is a Filipino packed rice dish made with steamed rice, wrapped in banana leaves with dry shredded beef, chicken or fish. For today's recipe, we will use chicken. It is also known as patil, patel, patir or patir in Maranao. Are you ready? Let's get cooking! The ingredients that we will need are 1 pound of chicken breast boiled, 1 large onion minced, half cup of broth from the chicken, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil plus more if needed, 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 4 red chillies, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and a bit of sugar. Banana leaves for wrapping. Don't forget to pass this over fire to make it more pliable and easy to wrap. And cook rice. To start, shred the chicken. I'm using a stand mixer to shred the chicken. This is very helpful, especially if you're gonna make large batch of pastil. In a pan over medium heat, heat the oil and saute the garlic and onion. Then, add the shredded chicken. And once it is a bit toasted, add the oyster sauce, soy sauce, and the broth, and continue cooking. By the way, I add some more vegetable oil to help toast the chicken a bit more. Now, add the salt and pepper. Then, add sugar. I added a bit more sugar, but this is optional. And once the chicken is toasted, add the chillies. Now, scoop the cooked rice and put it on the banana leaves and shape it like this. And put about 2 tablespoons of the shredded chicken on top of it. Then, wrap the banana leaves and fold the sides. Repeat the procedure with the remaining rice and shredded chicken. And here's our finished product! Pastil is so delicious and perfect packed lunch. I hope you'll give this a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, if there are any recipes you want me to do in this channel, please comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!